All right, so we're now going to work specifically on question 9 from game 2, prep test 51. In question 9, we get a question-specific condition. We get a question-specific condition, and then we're asked what could be true. So if L is more expensive than F, that's our question-specific condition, right? Then what could be true? All right, so we're going to start with the question-specific condition. We're going to add it to our rules. So we've got H before L, right? So I'm looking at that rule because L is involved. And the rule that involves F is this rule number 4. So we know L must be more expensive than F. Now if H is more expensive than F, that must mean that F is more expensive than G. And we can see that H is more expensive than G, which means that K has to be more expensive than L, and K is also more expensive than J, right? So this is our world, right? So we know that H is more expensive than G, and therefore we know that K is more expensive than J and L, right? And it doesn't matter whether we have L or J top or bottom. What matters is these lines, these relationships between them, right? So we're conserving the relationship between J and K and conserving the relationship between K and L, and then we're adding that relationship between L and F that didn't exist before, right? But specific to this question. All right, now we're being asked what could be true. So could F be more expensive than H? No, H is to the left of F and connected to it with those relationship lines. So H's relative position to F is that H is more expensive than F, not the other way around. So we can eliminate A. B, F is more expensive than K. That also can't be true. K must be more expensive than F. B is out. C, G is more expensive than H. Again, that can't be true. H must be more expensive than G. D, could G be more expensive than J? Now, J only has to be less expensive than K. That's the only relationship that applies to J. Okay? So we could actually imagine extending this line and pulling J all the way to the end there after G. Right? We haven't broken any rules. We've just extended that line. We've maintained that relationship where K is more expensive than J, but we've shown that we could have a scenario where G is more expensive than J, therefore D is the correct answer. And E, just to kind of finish out that process of elimination strategy, E states that G is more expensive than L, but we can see that indirectly through their relationship to F, that L is more expensive than F and G is less expensive than F, therefore G is less expensive than L. Right, so E cannot be true either. So we have 4 options that must be false, and D is the one that could be true. Okay, so let me know if you have any further questions on this game, and good luck.